In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Google AI Studio as a desktop app. This is a quick and simple process that gives you a convenient desktop shortcut so you can launch Google AI Studio just like any other application. Start by opening your preferred web browser and signing in to Google AI Studio. Once you're on the dashboard and everything has loaded, look to the very top right corner of the browser window for the three dots icon. This is your browser's main menu. Click it to open the dropdown. Inside that menu, find the option labeled Save and Share. Depending on your browser version, the wording may look slightly different, but you're looking for Save and Share. Hover over or click that and then choose Create Shortcut. When you select Create Shortcut, your browser will generate a shortcut to Google AI Studio and place it on your desktop automatically. In some cases, you may see a small confirmation box. If you do, simply confirm and let the browser create the shortcut for you. What you've just done is set up a direct launcher for Google AI Studio. This doesn't install heavy software on your computer, it simply creates a quick way to open the site without typing the web address every time. It's a great time saver if you use the tool frequently, and because it's just a shortcut, you can remove it later by deleting the icon, just like you would with any regular file on your desktop. To open Google AI Studio from now on, go to your desktop and double-click the new shortcut. It will open right away and you'll be taken straight to Google AI Studio, making it feel very much like a native desktop app experience. If you keep your desktop tidy, you can leave the icon there for easy access or place it wherever you prefer within your normal workflow. If you don't immediately see the new icon, give your desktop a quick refresh or check that your browser is up to date and that you selected Create Shortcut under Save and Share. Menu names can vary a bit between browser versions, but the steps are the same. Open the menu, go to Save and Share, and choose Create Shortcut. And that's it. You've learned how to install Google AI Studio as a desktop app using a simple shortcut, so you can launch it faster and stay focused on your work. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss new uploads.